Hey, what's going on, guys? Elery is back to bring you another video. Today we're going to talk about our solar installation for today in the city of North Hills. It is 10 modules going down to a SolarEdge HD wave inverter. So we're using power optimizers and we're installing everything on one array on the west side. So without further ado, let's do this. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. It's Friday, so TGIF. Just doing a walkthrough, or I'm just diving into the equipment. We have the truck which hauls all of the equipment, including the solar modules. Here's my little soccer bench, my staging area. I would have a table here, but I've already folded it up in case the homeowner needs to use the garage. Got the drone, got batteries, and car seats. Just you know, my GoPro time-lapse camera. Got my laptop here. And this is the home that we're working on. You could see that the conduit is running from the inverter all the way up to the array. And here's the box for the SolarEdge inverter. Visual looks very clean. It's Captain America.
Yeah, it's over here. How you doing, guys?
He's always very positive and enthusiastic, right, Cap? So we've already painted some of the conduits to match the stucco color, and here's the AC disconnect and the main service panel. So let's go ahead and go up to the array, and we have my time-lapse camera. So after the project is complete, I'll be uploading the files to that. So let's go up to the array. Let's see here. It's the inverter. Okay, here is the conduit, and it's connected to a flashing on the roof. And there's an elbow. Look at the flashing. There is one penetration here from the inverter, and this tile was cut and we installed this flashing. Because of that penetration, we need flashing to make sure that it's sealed, so when water falls down from the ridge, it does not cause a leak. And this conduit here is going to run all the way up to the junction box. And this conduit here does not have any penetration. We just use this part of the rail. It's a long rail. This is where the solar modules are sitting on top of, and we just use polymer to attach this, and we'll use a polymer here to secure it. No penetrations there. All right, so we can see the array. Hey, what's up, guys? So we can see the array here. The orientation is, this is north, and right behind me is south. East is to the 3 o'clock position, and west is over here at the 9 o'clock position. So we are installing these modules all on the west side. And I'll let's dive into why we are installing it on the west side. So now we're facing south. Now, while the best location for solar panels is south because you can get the mid, early, and the afternoon sun, for homes that are either east or west, I mean directly east and west, we prefer to install it here on the west. And the reason for that is the west is usually the warmest. So the sun in the afternoon is warmer. And not only that, utility companies charge at a higher peak rate in the afternoon. Therefore, you want to be producing solar, or you want to be producing solar energy when it's the most expensive, which is in the afternoon. Plus, in the morning, there is condensation, fog, or marine layer, and that usually doesn't happen late in the afternoon. So if you noticed, most homeowners, the warmest part of their house, it's usually going to be in the south side because that will be exposed to the sun throughout the whole day, and the west side. I'll give you an example. For instance, we're looking at north right now. The home right in front of us, not directly in front, but right there, they have a south facing roof. That south side is going to be the warmest part of the home. So if you were to install panels, you've got west side here. We've actually installed the system back in late 2016, early 2017. This is also installed on the west side of the home. And that's only because it is the best possible location for this instance, east and west. So I'll go over the other benefits of why we should install on the west. Now, unless it's in the front of the house where the homeowners don't like to see how the panels look, if we look at the array, if we were to put our hands beneath the array, it is 80 degrees. It's going to be cool to the touch, but in the summertime, right now it's only end of January and we're still in wintertime. I can put my hands here, but I could already feel that the tile here is more warmer on this side because of the sun. So but just by adding panels to or on top of your roof already benefits you because you are shading your roof, if that makes sense. Next time I'll bring my thermometer and we can measure the difference between the temperature here on this tile and the temperature in here, because there clearly is a difference. And we've got the SolarEdge power optimizers here, and this should be the last array. Oh, if you guys like cats, give this video a thumbs up because we're hearing cats. I'm a big fan of animals, dogs or cats. So that's our video for today, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. See here, those cats, there's 3 or 4 cats that I could hear in the background. I think you guys could hear that, right? So I'll see you guys again in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. It's Elery from Porter and Solar. Peace.